11 minus 1 gives us 10. And again here inside this parenthesis we have 11 minus 1. So 10 times 10, which equals 100. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 11 minus 1, which equals 10. So 11 minus 1 times 10. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because in PEMDAS multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 10 gives us 10, and 11 minus 10 is just 1. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1.